front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by launching Clock app that should be in Tools folder. This one. Now, click on Alarms at the bottom left corner, and before creating a new one, make sure to tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings in the pop-up and adjust all of those options under Alarms however you want to. That will apply to all of your new created ones, like snooze length, alarm volume, and more. When you finished with all of those, click on this plus at the bottom right corner of Alarms section and set up an hour. Then hit OK. Tap on your alarm, and this way customize it. If you want to change picked hour, you can always hit Edit and change it here. Now, select the days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. If you want to make some exception, just click on this icon of a plus next to pause alarm and pick dates when you don't want your alarm to ring. Choose OK. If you want to remove it, just select Cancel. Now click on Alarm Name here to name it. Choose Sound. If you want to download Spotify or YouTube Music, or hit Dismiss. If you downloaded one of your sound platforms and want to use music from it, click on it at the top and log in. If you don't, select Sounds, tap on Add New and pick any song from your smartphone. If you don't want to do that too, go back and tap on one of those sounds, like fairy. Go back. Use this switcher next to vibrate to switch it off or turn it on, and click on this plus one next to routines if you are using Google Routines. Now, to save all of those changes, hit save, and if you ever want to edit your alarm later on, just tap on it. If you want to turn it on or switch it off, use this switcher on the right. And if you want to delete any of them, click on the chosen one and choose delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!